Welcome. Here we go. So I have theta equals 7 pi divided by 4. And what I want to do is I want to find the reference angle. And remember, the reference angle is the acute angle between the terminal side of your angle in standard position and the horizontal axis. So first of all, I need to determine where is even my terminal side of this problem. So what I'm going to do is I need to sketch it in standard form. Now remember, standard form, your initial side is going to start on your horizontal axis. And to graph 7 pi over 4, one thing I notice is halfway around what we say is pi when we're dealing with radians. Now, since my denominator is 4, I could say that it's the same thing as 4 pi over 4. Therefore, here would be 2 pi over 4. And then in this quadrant, I'm going to have 6 pi over 4. And all the way around would be 8 pi over 4, which is equivalent to 2 pi. Therefore, now looking at this problem, when looking at this problem, what I'm going to determine now is where 7 pi over 4, which is going to be roughly right here. So therefore, I can say my angle theta, 7 pi over 4 is going to have an initial side here and a terminal side there. Now remember, the reference angle is going to be the distance from my terminal side to my initial side. So therefore, once I notice my angle is in the fourth quadrant, I'm going to go over here and look at what is the formula to find my terminal side what is the formula to find my reference angle when I have a terminal side in the fourth quadrant? Now, you could theoretically just look at this and say, all right, well, if here's 6 pi, 7 pi, to get to here, it's just going to be pi over 4. But let's look at this algebraically just to make sure that's exactly my answer. So what I'll do is I'll type it into the formula, theta prime equals 2 pi minus theta. Well, my theta in this case is 7 pi over 4. So theta prime equals 2 pi minus 7 pi over 4. Now, to subtract 7 pi over 4 from 2 pi, I got to get them to be the same denominator. So I'm going to rewrite 2 pi as 8 pi over 4. As we stated here, they're equivalent to each other. So minus 7 pi over 4. And therefore, you can see that, again, my thought is correct. And my theta prime, my reference angle, is going to be pi over 4. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you find the reference angle for an angle in radians. Thanks.